Hello YouTube viewer, my name is Hamid. I come back and I want to show you the result of my work on the stairs, and I'm happy about my uh, working and replace our treats and um, finishing the stairs. It took me about 3 weeks to make this stairs ready because of finishing the stairs, and take a little bit time for drying process of stain polyurethane on it. And I'm happy to be done with the stairs. So it took a long time, but finally I am happy that the stairs is down and they look beautiful. So I want to encourage you, when you decide to renovate your stairs and railing, then you can do like I did and save money. Thank you for your watching, and please, if you have any question, let me know, and don't forget to click the like button, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.